If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Well, hello folks, and welcome back to Mail Call. In the box here, a friend of mine from time to time goes through his pen drawers and he rotates his pens, and the pens that he has acquired, he wants to pass them to somebody else to share the love. So he sends them to me, and what I do, I'll send them out to other people. Sometimes I may meet at Starbucks or do it online, however I'm going to do it. I will send these pens out to people. But when I do that, I want to make sure that they're interested in fountain pens, or they have an interest in fountain pens that they want to see if they're going to really get into fountain pens. So this is what I use these pens for. And if and when I go to Starbucks, I have a little group that I meet there, and that we do our thing with pens. So it's been really a lot of fun. So let's get into it now. Here we go. What could this be? A whole bunch of stuff. Now look at here. Some of my favorite pens, Mr. Announcer.
Yes, indeed.
These I really, really love. They're very, very cool pens. Well, look at this.
Nice.
Wow. Okay. Now, this one kind of blew me away. Okay. And one of my all-time favorites, Conklin Baby, one of the finest pens on this planet, my opinion. And of course, we've got the one and only Twiz. Ego, I believe. Yeah. Chicka-ching, chicka-ching, chicka-ching. A fun pen. And here's a favorite, the Jin Hao. The mighty, mighty Jin Hao. 750. Yep. And later on, in the months to come, maybe sooner, I'll be changing out nibs from some of these pens to maybe a Bonk nib or maybe a Jovo nib or whatever I think of. Now here's a cool one. And this is a I don't know pen. All right. Here we go. Wow, look at that, Mr. Announcer. It's gonna be
Is that a cartridge?
It is a fountain pen.
Oh, there.
And brand new to me. It still has the little tip on it. So this is going to be interesting. Yeah, it will be interesting. Okay. I think I have one or two more in there. This one is a total newbie to me, but I shall explore. And we got two more here. One of my all-time favorites. Heck, they're all my all-time favorites. And this is the Platinum. The Platinum Plezar. Really a nice, beautiful fountain pen. You know, I've never had any problems with these pens. I guess I'm lucky. And the all-time great, I can remember when I started back out on these, 2015, and this was one of them. And this is going to be a lot of fun as well. Fountain pens are fun, aren't they? Because fountain pens are people too. So you want to make sure that you're watching. Mwah! These are really cool. Really, really cool. And when I think I do these a giveaway, I was going to do it one by one, but I think I'm just going to do the whole set of 8. And you're really, really going to enjoy them. The colors are really great. Mwah! There was a new ink that came out for Valentine's Day. Red ink. And I think Lena at Pen Boutique may still carry it. It's a red. I'm not sure if it's by Monteverde or who put it out, but that's one little jewel, that red ink, that I must have. No, I don't need no ink. You're right. But I'm an ink enthusiast, so gotta have it. Well, folks, that's gonna tighten it up for today. Be cool like your school. Remember, be kind, loving, and try your best to be genuine. Don't wear a two-sided mask. Be who you are. Don't be nice and then turn around and be good, and turn around and be not good. But don't end up not being a nice person, because it's not going to get you anywhere. All right, my folks, I've said enough. On with the show. This is it. Peace and love. Last but not least, don't forget, this Saturday, tomorrow morning, 10 a.m., we're having the online pen club name.
Fountain Pendulum.
And I believe my friend Tony
Rustisi
will be on there as well. It will start at 10 a.m. sharp. And let me see what else. That same day, I think it's at 6 p.m., we will have
Matthew LaPlante
as my guest on Larry's Zoom Pen Hangout. And that's going to be a very, very interesting Zoom, and a very important one, because it's for, I want to say, the next generation of pens. Meaning that the next generation of the people that will carry on the tradition of fountain pens. Thank you and God bless. Bye-bye.